the best way that you can make 3 to 5K per month as a complete beginner. All you need is a phone or a laptop. And honestly, don't worry about if this feels too crowded or not, because 90% of the people have already scrolled by. The market for this side hustle is billions upon billions of people in high demand. So I'm about to walk you through this process, like and save this video for later. The whole process I'm talking about is called affiliate marketing. Here's how to set it up. Let's go. Go to digistore24.com and you're gonna click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you're gonna choose a niche. For this example, I'm gonna choose health and fitness. You're gonna scroll through the offers and you're gonna pick one that has a high commission rate. Once you're ready to promote, you're gonna click Promote Now. You're gonna get a special link to use to promote the product. So anytime someone clicks on the link when you're promoting it, you're gonna get paid a commission on each sale. So in this case, you're gonna get $41 for every sale. My personal favorite affiliate marketing is high ticket affiliate marketing. This is where you promote more expensive products and you get a higher commission for each sale. The average commission that I make for each sale is $1,000. So 3 sales each month will make you $3,000. And that is how you fast track your way. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, make sure to comment below. I love helping people get started with this. If you want help getting started, comment below and I will personally reach out to you to get going. And it's free to start.